welcome to my channel. And today's episode, I just want to share my Thomas Edison Amberola. The model of this one is Amberola VIII. To operate, it has a crank here. This is like a gramophone. But the thing is, the reproducer here is a diamond reproducer. I think this is B. The tip of the needle is located underneath this reproducer. This unit is a spring driven. The elbow here will go through this one here is the horn located here. Cylinder record, it has a different diameter. This one is smaller and this one is bigger in size, so you can't mount it like this in the hub. It must be like this. So I'm going to sight here before playing. That is the tip of the diamond reproducer, still hanging. It has a lock here. Before releasing this lock, make sure that the cylinder is in full speed. So I will now release the brake and wait for the full speed, then release this one. So that's all, guys. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Stay updated always for more and more interesting videos to come. And as always, thanks for watching.